Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So kind of a warm and humid start to the day. We have a 76-degree dew point value and a 77-degree temperature. The combination of those bringing us a feels-like temperature of 78 degrees this morning. So we're looking at a lot of sunshine, I think, as we head into the morning hours, boosting our temperature up into the 80s, pretty lickety-split. By the time we get to noon, we'll be at about 90 degrees, and at that point, I think we have a pretty good chance of seeing a few showers, isolated showers near the coastline. Nothing really heavy, but perhaps a thunderstorm by 12 p.m. Chance is not that good, though. Most of us will not see anything. Then as we head into the 3 p.m. hour, we'll up the rain chance a little bit, but really most of the shower activity is going to be inland again this afternoon, looking at about a 50 to 60% chance of inland storms, inland Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands County. That's where you're going to see the rainfall again today. By 7 p.m., everything winds down, looking at a pretty nice evening. So across the entire state, it's hard to find anything going on here this morning. Maybe up around the Big Bend region, Cross City, maybe seeing a sprinkle or two. Otherwise, Apalachicola may be seeing a shower. But for us, it's been hard to find anything. Anna Maria had a brief sprinkle, and I think maybe the best chance of seeing a shower will be between Venice and Osprey, with these offshore showers gradually, ever so slowly, drifting a little bit closer to the coastline. But the tendency will be for them to die out as they get closer to the coast anyway. So, you know, the rain chance, not all that great this morning for your morning commute. So I'm not checking any of the inclement weather boxes for the drive time forecast. There's the one lone shower that we had on Anna Maria. It's falling apart. A couple of showers way off the coastline. Otherwise, things are quiet. Gulf Waters has very little in the way of any kind of major cloud cover out there. It's pretty nice. We have a big ridge of high pressure sitting out here that's going to impact our weather right straight through the weekend as well. If you are taking a cruise, say, to the Caribbean, looks good there as well. We have a kind of a suppression of shower and thunderstorm activity going on currently over the Caribbean, and don't really see much happening. We have this one little cluster of storms that's way out there, and it will continue to dissipate. It's really kind of part of a trough of low pressure that tore Beryl apart and is basically just producing some showers out there. But as I mentioned, that's on the way out too. So all in all, that activity has little chance of development. Nothing going on in the Gulf, nothing in the Caribbean, nothing in the near Atlantic. All looks good for the weekend. Even rain shower activity will be at a minimum, I think, under the influence of that high pressure ridge out in Gulf waters. Now, we will see showers and thunderstorms across the state of Florida, but they're really, because of our light wind flow, going to be mostly in inland areas, as the sea breeze won't have much reason to stay near our coast. It will be a kind of vigorous and strong sea breeze that'll move inland and favor the other coastline, I think, for shower and thunderstorm activity right straight through today and probably the next couple of days. The storms that build in inland areas will be slow movers. So say today you're setting out for Fort Pierce or Fort Lauderdale or Miami, you're probably going to encounter some pretty good storms as you drive across the state, and they're going to be slow moving, and you'll be in some fairly heavy rainfall, I think, at times this afternoon. Mostly sunny today, slow moving inland storms, and maybe a better chance of rainfall next week. Now here's the visual of what we expect to see today. Maybe an isolated shower near the coast as we head into the noontime hour. Then everything moves inland, and that's where it stays as it kind of falls apart in inland locations. For today, beautiful day for boating, smooth conditions on bay and inland waters, 2 foot or less seas. 92 our daytime high today, tomorrow about the same thing pretty close to on Sunday. Then as we head into Monday, I think maybe we start to see a little bit better rain chances working into the picture as we head into Tuesday. And then Wednesday and Thursday, I think we'll probably have some drier weather midweek, but maybe toward the end of midweek. Otherwise, pretty typical for this time of year.